Good morning. Today's topic is female reproductive system. The female reproductive system is responsible for the productions of eggs, fertilization, pregnancy, and childbirth. It consists of both internal and external organs. Internal organs, first one is ovaries, paired organs that produce eggs and female sex hormones such as estrogen and progesterone. Second one, fallopian tube, two tubes that connect the ovaries to the ureter. They transport the released egg from the ovary to the uterus and the site of fertilization. Third one, uterus, also known as the womb. It is a muscular organ where is a fertilized egg implant and develops into the fetus during pregnancy. Fourth one, cervix, the lower part of the uterus that connects it to the vagina. It allows the passage of menstrual blood, sperm, and serves as the opening of childbirth. Fifth one, vagina, a muscular canal that connects the cervix to the external genitalia. It is the site for sexual intercourse, childbirth, and serves as a passage for menstrual flow. External organs, labia majora, outer fold of skin that protect and enclose the other external reproductive organs. Second one, labia minora, inner fold of the skin located within the labia majora. They surround the opening of the vagina and urethra. Third one, clitoris, a small sensitive organ located at the top of the labia minora. It contains numerous nerve endings and highly sensitive to sexual stimulations. Fourth one, Bartholin's glands located on the either side of the vaginal opening. They secrete fluid that lubricates the vagina during sexual arousal. The female reproductive system undergoes cyclic changes during the menstrual cycle, which typically last around 28 days. Each month, an egg is released from the one of the ovaries in a process called ovulations. It fertilizations occurs the fertilized egg implant in the uterus, leading to pregnancy. It fertilization does not occur. The uterine lining sheds during menstruation. Hormones such as estrogens and progesterone play crucial roles in regulating the menstrual cycle, development of secondary sexual characteristics, and maintaining pregnancy. Thank you.